RagingSpinjitzu here, in for another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make music on GarageBand. So I'll be teaching you two different ways to do it, solo or a preset live loop. So if you don't have the app GarageBand already, so you might want to go to the App Store and download it real quick. It's completely safe, it's by Apple, and it's 100% free. So yeah, I'll give you some time to do that. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to click on the app called GarageBand, and I've already had a song. So when you open GarageBand, you shouldn't have all these things, but I'm just going to click create song, and you should be in a place that starts up with keyboard. So the first session is basically to show you how to make music on your own. So say if I was going to play the C scale, I would just hit this record button over here, the red dot, and 3, 2, 1. Just like that. So you can turn off the metronome if you'd like. And we can go back here and we can use some drums. So there's different types of drums that you can use. So if I go back here, I was on smart drums, so you can click on acoustic drums and you'll get here. And you can change what kind of look you want, what kind of sound you want. So then from here I can just record again, and I can just so like that. It's really easy, guys, and once you get the hang of it and once you know when to record and how to record, it's super simple. And you have audio recorders just in case if you have a piano and you don't know how to play it digitally, you can just use the audio recorder. Strings, there's different varieties: bass, guitar, world instruments, but it's only pipette. Ew, I don't know if I said that right. The drummers, so you can fill in beats and make auto-tune. And external, it'll just grab stuff from other things and effects. So I have this app called Pro Metronome, and I have this app called Real Guitar Free, so it takes external things. And that's pretty much the first course. If I go back and I click here, you're going to see that I'm going to have two tracks here. One saying grand piano and one saying classic studio kit. And as you can see, it plays out the song that I just created. So it's really simple, guys. You just need to get the timing. You just need to learn how to use the interface a bit. But with time, you'll figure it out. And some cool options is if you just double tap this thing, it's like cut, copy, paste, delete, loop, split, edit, rename, settings. So if I click on edit, then I'm going to have this whole thing. I can just put it in. I can extend it. I can make it very short. So as you can see, it just changes up the entire thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for creating your own songs. So I'm just going to go ahead and just delete these. And now I'll teach you how to make a live loop. So here I've downloaded all the live loops there are, except for 2 ones that I don't want. So if you want to download live loop, you just have to click on sound library, and then you're going to find all these things. You can find rock drummers. Haven't got this yet. So you can just click on get, and then you'll get it. And it's really fast, guys, and you can just click presets just to see what kind of presets they have. And yeah, I'll just teach you how to use this. It's way simpler than making your own song, and you can just click on hip hop just because I want it. And here we are. So you should see something similar to this if you click on any of them. And you just have to click on a circle, and I'll play a sound. So like that. And then if you click on these arrows down here, it's going to play a full length. just have to click, create different sounds. Just like that. And yeah, there you have it, folks. But for it to get saved, you might want to click record, just like I did with the other songs, right here. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to create your own music, or if you want to post this on YouTube if you want, sure, go ahead. I hope this helps. And to record it, just use the built-in screen recorder for Apple.